Hello everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to leave a review on Amazon even if you didn't buy the product. First, go to the Amazon website and search for the item you want to review. Open the product page and scroll down to the customer review section. On the right side of the star ratings, click Write a customer review. Now you'll see the review form. Select your rating from 1 to 5 stars. Type your review in the text box. Add a title for your review. Once you're happy with your review, click Submit. And that's it. That's how to leave a review on Amazon even if you didn't buy the product. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.